Can I download additional web browsers on my TCL Smart TV?
Hello there. Have you been wondering whether you can download additional web browsers on your TCL Smart TV? This question pops up quite often, as many users want to utilize their smart TVs to the fullest. Today, we're going to clarify if it's possible, and how to do it if it is.
Can you download additional browsers on your TCL Smart TV?
To start with, it's important to note that TCL Smart TVs run on different platforms depending on the model and the region. Some TCL TVs use the Roku TV platform, while others may use Android TV or other operating systems. For most TCL TV models, especially those running Roku, the ability to download and install additional web browsers is unfortunately limited. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, Roku doesn't support web browsing functionality and doesn't have official web browsers in its channel store. For TCL TVs running Android TV, there might be some possibility to download browsers from the Google Play Store, but it may not provide the best user experience, as these aren't optimized for TV screens and navigation.
What are the alternatives?
Even though direct installation of web browsers might be limited, there are still ways to surf the web on your TCL Smart TV. Here are a few alternatives. Screen mirroring. This is a method where you can display your smartphone or computer screen on your TV. This way, you can use your device's browser and view it on the TV. Web Videocaster. This app, available on Android and iOS devices, allows you to send web content to your Roku TV or other smart TVs. Remember, the effectiveness of these solutions may vary based on your specific TCL Smart TV model and the platform it runs. While TCL Smart TVs offer a wide range of features, the direct installation of additional web browsers is generally not supported. However, with some clever workarounds like screen mirroring or using apps like Web Videocaster, you can still surf the web on your big screen. Hope this video has been helpful, and happy browsing!